Okay, nice. In today's tutorial, I would like to show about how to model the spring. So on part design, select the n-axis and go to the sketcher. After that, by using the point by clicking tool, this is the gap. This is the center of this spring, and this is the gap and the radius of the spring. Select it. This is the center, and this is the radius. After point by clicking, we change the library from part design to the other. So let's go to the shape design. From shape, under the generative shape design, there are a number of tools that is used to construct the geometry of the spring or the spline. So start, shape, generative shape design. From this, we click the spline, the helix, and the helix needs the sketch. This is the point in the sketch because it needs the starting point of the spring, and select the appropriate axis under this condition, the z-axis. So pitch should be this is the pitch, and the height of the spring, for example, 300 millimeter. 300. This is very fine because the pitch is very small, and double click on that and increase the pitch. Increase the pitch just like that, according to our design or our model. This is. Then say OK. This is the schematic of this. So the spring element is drawn on the elements under this point. Has been drawn just like this. Then convert to the 3D. After that, by using the rip tool, rip this element along this. The spring is formed just like that. As we have said, the spring is formed just like that. After that, we want to cut the required element. For example, by using the cut constraint to be the surface of the spring, surface should be flat. I'll cut it just like this, and then by using the pocket constraint, use mirror extent with some dimension, or for example write it, then preview, then OK. So this is the spring element that is constructed by using the Catia software, by using the mechanical part design, and by using the generative shape design libraries.